We need our team today, man.
Showtime, man. Show off.
Hey! Let's go, Billy! Hey, look here! Look here!
Let's go!
Make sure they match our intensity! Make sure they match our intensity!
Hey, look at your left! Look at your right! Remember who you're doing this for! Let's go!
You have to eat. You have no choice.
Yeah, JC. Let's go, boy. Let's go. It's our time, baby.
Let's go, Aiken. What's up? What's up? Let's get it. What's up, Aiken? Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Go, big fat. Let's go. Good.
One play at a time. Be loud with your communications. Then after that, play relentless. Play with great passion. All right, let's get after their tail.
Kick off, team! Let's go! Start it off right now!
Let's go. You got you.
Touchdown!
It's time. Already. Great protection. Great protection. Great protection. You made every single tackle that drive. We got to believe that and stick together. Don't worry about anybody else. Stick together right here. Let's go.